and I am so excited because today I'm finally starting Halloween content. Technically I started last week on my blog, but for YouTube we are starting today. This week starts October. I think today when I post it, it will still be September, but October is coming, you guys. It's coming. Halloween's my favorite holiday, and so while I'm getting my house together, I thought it would be fun to shoot a tutorial of how I do my skeleton china cabinet in my dining room. I don't think we've ever actually shot in my dining room. The lighting is a little weird, I'm not gonna lie, but hopefully it all works and you guys can see kind of how I craft this and put it together. So, let's do it. Okay, so to make my little skeleton china cabinet, first you're gonna need to go to just any store. There's Party City, Spirit Halloween, Michael's, I think I bought a couple of these at. There's just like a few places you can go, Amazon, and purchase some skeletons that are different sizes. So think like animal skeletons. I have a human skull. It's made of marble. I got it at Home Goods. I mean, it's not scary. It's pretty. Like, it's supposed to be cool. Like, your friends are supposed to come in and be like, oh, that's unique and different. So here are some of my examples. So I have, I'm gonna drop all these. So I have like a cat, and I have a bird, and then I have a rat, and a frog, and let's see what else we got over here. We have, like a moose or a deer, some kind of animal with horns, really specific. We have a scorpion, a spider, a turtle, and a bat. I have my eye on a two-headed snake at Spirit Halloween, and there's also an octopus that I'm like looking out for. So yeah, so go ahead and just like go shopping and clear out all of the aisles with animal skeletons on them, and buy as many that will fit in your china cabinet as you possibly can. Okay, so now that you have your skeletons purchased, you're gonna put them kind of strategically in your china cabinet. So this is kind of just like personal preference, how you like to do it. I start with the bigger ones and then fill in the smaller ones as we go. So, you know, kind of put big ones on each shelf. Like this is a big guy. He probably needs to go in the middle. Actually, because his antlers are so tall, I'm gonna put him on top. But you don't want the big ones to take over the entire middle, and then you also don't want them to be right on top of each other. So like 1, 2, 3 would be too much. So I'm kind of like staggering them like 1, 2, and then I'll put this skull over here. You see, so it kind of staggers out a little bit. And then you can fill in with the smaller ones. Spiderweb, and you can buy this from Party City, like it's like $1. And give it the illusion that your skeletons have been in there for a long time. So the trick to this is you want to spread out your spiderweb extremely thin. Like we don't want any clumps because then it will look like it's dollar spiderweb from Party City. So spread it out as thin as you possibly can, and then you're going to kind of just drape it over your skeletons and throughout your china cabinet. Now, because the china cabinet doesn't have places where you can hook things, it's just like flat, I take clear thumbtacks and gently push in where I need to have kind of like a higher spider web coming from the top, and then the rest of it I can hook throughout the skeletons and kind of just like hang it creepily. So, I'm gonna show you what I mean. lot more time going through and like meticulously pulling my spider webs, but honestly it's really, really hot in here, so I'm gonna take a break and come back. But at the intro I will film the like final product. But for now, you know, the lines and trying to do the spider webs, I'm like really, really hot. So, but you get the concept. It's really kind of a cool way to creep up your dining room for Halloween by giving it the illusion that it is actually a animal case rather than a china cabinet. So all of my dishes get moved out for Halloween and all of my skeletons get moved in. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave me a comment below. Obviously I said I love Halloween, so you are about to get a whole lot of Halloween content this month. And but you can check out some of my other videos where I post travel, wellness, fashion, food, anything like that. But this month it's all about Halloween. And like I said, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will link my skeletons that I found kind of on Amazon and some other things. And I guess that's it. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.